Today we are going to show you how this coffee machine IT-FA-CM250 works. First, we plug in the power and press the start button. For now, the machine is testing itself. There is a thermal insulation board on the top. We can place the coffee cup here, which helps to do the heat preservation and make your coffee better. Now it says water shortage. So, we take the water tank to add some water. It requires pure water. The machine is now automatically cleaning itself. So next we are going to show you how we use this coffee machine to make espresso. This is the setting button. We click it, select the personal taste button, and we will see espresso. For the volume, the minimum is 30 milliliters and the maximum goes to 80 milliliters. We see an icon of 4 coffee beans here. This is the adjustment of the amount of coffee beans. It is also the standard on our machine. We put coffee beans into the bean hooper. And then we press the button. We can adjust this coffee outlet based on our needs. That is how a cup of espresso is made. Whenever we finish making a cup of coffee, we need to take a look at this small container. Which contains coffee remaining and it requires to be cleaned from time to time. Next, we use the machine to make the cappuccino. The same operation, click the setting button, enter the personal preference modes, select cappuccino. Here we can choose the amount of coffee, the minimum 30 ml and the maximum 70 ml. This is what we need to make the cappuccino. The next thing we see is the time setting for the coffee to froth. The shortest time is 10 seconds and the longest time is 40 seconds. The longer you set the time, the more milk froth. Usually speaking, for a cup of cappuccino, we set 30 ml and 20 seconds. So this is the milk. Insert the tube into the milk bottle. Get the coffee cup ready and press the cappuccino button. Now the machine starts to froth the milk. As we can see, a cappuccino has been done. After each milk froth, we need to clean the tube with pure water. We can click a button and let the machine do it itself. Click the OK. This way we can prevent the tube from getting blocked. Now the cleaning is finished. Next, we use the powder brew function to make coffee. This is ground coffee. Remove the lid of the hooper. And pour in a spoonful of coffee powder. So generally speaking, this is what we need to make a cup of coffee. Cover the lid back and prepare the coffee cup in the outlets. We see this powder brew button. After clicking, we can choose Italian coffee, American coffee, cappuccino, and latte. Now let's make an Americano. This is how we use the powder brew function. And American coffee is now finished. Next, we introduce the function keys of this coffee machine one by one. We see this setting button, and after clicking, we see the first button, which is the temperature setting with low temperature, medium temperature, and high temperature. Users can choose the temperature based on their needs. The default setting of the machine is medium temperature. And then we see the lighting setup. There are two lamps under the coffee outlet. We can choose to turn it off or turn it on according to the working environment. What we are looking at now is water hardness setting. We need to adjust the hardness of the water according to the needs. This button is a personal preference. That means you can choose the type of coffee you like based on your personal preference. Espresso, Americano, cappuccino, latte. When we make latte, we can choose the amount of milk based on our tastes. This button is for hot water adjustment. The minimum is 60 ml. The maximum is up to 250 ml. This button is hot milk. We see these two options. Please choose milk froth or hot milk according to your own taste. Cleaning setting. We click this button to clean the tube. Look at this energy saving setting. If you turn it off, the machine will be ready to work at all times. Once you choose half an hour, the machine will stop working after half an hour. This is for the purpose of the timing and energy saving. Language settings: Chinese, English, German, and French. 4 languages can be selected. So basically, that's all about what we should know about the coffee machine. Thank you for watching.